Alright, now let's get started. First thing we're going to do is download and install the relevant software. And the first thing that we need to do is, well, install Python. Just search download Python on any search engine and you'll get this. Or just go to this link right here and you should be able to get this right here. And just download version 3.86. It's important that you download that. Once you click on that, you'll end up here, and then just download this executable installer right here. And once that is downloaded, just open the file, open the application or software, the installer software, and just follow the steps. It's just like installing any other software, and you should not have any problem. If you have any problem, then just ask in the questions section and I will be able to answer you right there, or in the Discord section. Next thing we're going to do is install Visual Studio Code. Just search download Visual Studio Code, and it's very easy. It should come up right here, and then right here, as you can see on this link, you can just download it for your specific operating system. I'm sure that most of you are on Windows or on Mac, most probably on Windows, so just click here and just start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it, and it should come up right here. And then just follow the steps that are given there. You make sure that the settings are on default, and let's get started.